In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude locations in Google Ads like a pro. Whether you're looking to fine-tune your ad targeting or optimize your budget, knowing how to effectively exclude locations is essential for getting the best results from your campaigns. So let's dive in and take a closer look at this process. First things first, you need to head over to Google Ads. If you haven't already signed up for an account, make sure you're logged into your Google account and then visit the Google Ads website. Once there, you'll notice the sign in button. Click on that to access your Google Ads dashboard. This is where all of your campaigns will be managed, and it's the hub for updating your ad settings. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is an overview of your entire advertising account. From here, navigate to the campaigns section. This section houses all the current campaigns you're running and is where you can manage various settings, including location targeting. After selecting the campaigns tab, locate the option that says audiences, keywords, and content. Clicking on this will present you with additional targeting options and allow you to refine how your campaigns reach potential customers. It's important to have a clear understanding of your audience so you can make precise adjustments to reach the right people. Once you've opened the audiences, keywords, and content settings, you'll find an option called locations. Click on it to view the geographical targeting for your campaign. Here you have the capability to both include and exclude specific locations if you want to avoid spending your ad budget in areas that aren't yielding results. This is where you'll make those changes. Now, with the locations displayed, you'll want to choose a particular location you'd like to exclude. This can be any region or area where your product or service is not relevant or isn't performing well. Once selected, proceed by clicking on Edit. This action opens up a new set of options specific to the location you've highlighted. With the Edit menu open, you'll notice an option labeled Exclude. Clicking on this allows you to designate the selected location as excluded from your campaign targeting. By doing so, you're instructing Google Ads not to show your ads in this area, helping concentrate your efforts and budget on more fruitful locations. By following these steps, you'll be able to exclude locations in Google Ads like a pro. Taking control of where your ads are seen is crucial for optimizing your campaign's effectiveness and ensuring your marketing efforts align with your business goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your online advertising strategy.